Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be revamping my nails, and if I don't mention what I'm using, I will have it listed down below. I think these nails really came out cute. Just a easy FYI beginner tip: if you struggle with ombre, you can always glitter or do your refills with ombre, and sis, you can't go wrong. But today I wanted to just talk about how a few of my pictures were stolen and used as someone else's pictures. First of all, have you guys ever had that happen to you? I didn't know if I should be upset or flattered. I was just like, who does that? And then I thought about it. I guess she took my pictures to gain attention to have people look at her own work. I'm not sure. But I hopped on Instagram and I hashtag press on nails because, as you guys know, I do press on nails. Now, my reason for hashtagging press on nails is to get ideas of different press on nails that I can do. I can only do but so much because I do still refer to myself as a beginner. So I try to look for easy designs, different colors, stuff like that. Never thinking I'm going to hashtag press on nails and see my press on nails on someone else's page. But long story short, I pressed the hashtag and, hashtag press on nails. And I'm scrolling and I see my nails. I'm assuming when I click on it, it's going to take me to my page. But it took me to this nail tech page. And she did have some of her own press on nails. And I think they were pretty nice. But I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but I have like some lime green bling nails that are mixed with like black and white. She had that there. She had my like fire set with like the purple rhinestones. She had my unicorn press on nails. So I liked all the pictures that were mine. And then I went back to read the description before I messaged her. I went back to read the description just so that I could see, like, okay, what she's saying, like, I like these set. I'm gonna try to recreate them because I didn't get a tag. Not that she had to tag me, but I wanted to make sure she wasn't using my pictures as hers before I messaged her. So long story short, she didn't have that under there. The caption on one of them that I can remember was like sitting up all night getting these orders out. And I'm like, okay. So when I noticed she had my pictures on her page, it was late. I live in Philadelphia. It was almost midnight here, so I'm not going to inbox somebody at midnight. So the next day, I did message her like 12 in the afternoon. I was like, hey, my name is Shy. I'm Nail by Shy on Instagram and I'm Nail by Shy on YouTube. I said, I've noticed you have 3 of my sets of my pictures as your own on your IG page. And she did. I saw she read it, but she blocked me. Yes, she did. She blocked me. And I was upset that I didn't screenshot my 3 pictures on her page. Not that I probably would have even put them on this video. I might have and blocked her name out because I don't believe in like really like publicly embarrassing her. I don't know if she's taking other people's pictures. I have no idea. But my reason for even bringing that up is I want to know, like, is that a thing? You guys had that happen to you? Have you scrolled and saw your work on someone else's page? And like I said, a part of me is flattered, but another part of me is like, damn, you really took my pictures. You came over to my page, you took my pictures, you didn't even mind to, like them or follow me. It's just like the nerve of you. I would never think to go and steal someone's picture on off Instagram and post them as my own. My work is my work. You either like it or you don't. When I do have like practice sessions, if you're one of those models, I do appreciate you. But I would never go and take somebody else's work and post it as my own. Now I will go take someone else's work and repost it, and like this is a challenge. Like you guys know, I recreated Natalie's nail set. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. I did exactly what she did in her video, but it wasn't press-ons. It was acrylic nails. But I did tag her on Instagram. She saw it. She said, I nailed it. She liked it. I believe in giving credit where credit due. Now, she's a much larger person than I am on Instagram. So I was even flattered that she noticed that I recreated her set. I would never go to her page, because she does press-ons too, take her picture and post them as mine. No, if I like your work, if I like anyone's work, and I want to recreate it, I'm going to recreate it, and I'm going to do it side by side because I want to really know how I did. So just for the future, if you are one of those people that are going out here stealing pictures, you can create exactly what you're stealing from another nail tech's Instagram or Facebook page. And the right way to do that is to use that picture as motivation so that you can recreate it, not use that picture and lie to your potential customers as it being yours. So that's my little tidbit. Like I said, if you had this happen to you, or to be honest, if you've done this before, let me know, because I was just like, oh, so this is a thing. Let me know down below. And here, you guys, I hope you was paying attention to what I was doing. I just went in and glittered the refill in with some glitter acrylic that I made from my glitters from AliExpress. I keep telling you guys about those glitters. They are phenomenal, especially when you mix them with your clear acrylic. So yeah, I'm just going in here and filing and shaping up. I'm taking away some of the pointy tip of the stiletto, trying to round it off a little bit because I don't want to scratch my baby. I really was going to soak these nails off, but I wanted to try the glitter ombre. It was actually my first time doing a refill glitter ombre on all of my nails. And I like the way they came out so much that I actually did them on myself this day. And I also did some shorties on a client, but her tip part wasn't pink. It was like a peach. It was actually peach nectar from iGel Beauty. But yeah, I like the way these came out. So I did speed this process up because, like I said, we was here for the story time more so than nails. So I am going in now and buffing with my buffer. I didn't feel like these nails needed much other than what I already have on there as far as the glitter and the pink. Wait until I go in with the polish. You're going to be like, oh yeah, all right, these nails didn't need anything else. Because I did have my bling box out set to the side because I was just going to do a little something on one nail. But once I put the gel polish on there, I was just like, no, if I add any bling, I would be taken away from the look. So here it is. I just go in and dust away, and I'm using some alcohol to just clean my nails. And you guys see I have my bling box out. I was about to go ham, honey. But my last set had bling, and y'all, after like having it on for 8 days, it drove me crazy. Now that I do my own nails, I'm very funny about how long I have my nails on versus prior to me learning how to do my own nails. I would try to get my sets to last for 3 weeks. I can't do that now. I get so tired of nails, and that's why I really only rock press-on nails lately, just because I can wear them, and when I'm ready to be nail free, then that's exactly what I do. But as you guys can see, I'm going in with the D&D gel polish, and these nails actually came to life. Then I'm going in with a little gel brush with no product on it and going in and cleaning around my cuticle. I have in the past made the mistake of polishing my nails with too much gel polish on there, and that clear seeps down into my cuticle area that I just clean the acrylic from, and it's not a good look, and that does cause lifting with the gel polish. So you see me there just cleaning that up, and then now I'm going in with my own personal cuticle oil that I only use on myself, so that's why it is a brush. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you like these nails. And most important, follow me, subscribe. I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.